So here we are at my kitchen, and this is an Argentinian mate that I made. I made a short about this guy here, and that's what a mate is. It's like a tea. You fill it up with this thing here. It's called yerba, which is herb, and I have no idea where it comes from. I think it's like a tea bush type, and it's a shareable thing, so it has a reusable metal straw, which in this case, just so you see it, it has a filter, and you fill it up with hot water and a little bit of sugar if you like sugar or not. And basically I'm going to put the used one here because it needs to be done the first time just to get the flavor onto the wood. So the first time you fill it up, all the tea goes in the garbage. You don't drink the first time that you use a mate. Therefore I'm using the used one. And I'm going to fill it up, and I'm going to put a bit of water, which I'm going to shut off because I don't want it to be too hot. And the reason mainly I'm doing this, when they make it, they use a metal ring around here, or like this one, the whole thing is covered on aluminum, because of the nature the wood will like crack, right? So hence the reason why they do a metal ring. In my case, I have to like do it slow. If it cracks, I'm gonna have to fix it and try it again. But essentially that's a mate. And I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there and see what happens. But that is pretty much it, and that concludes this video. So if you like this video, don't be subscribing to my channel. You know, we don't want to grow it or anything like that, but I do hope to see you in the next one though. So thanks for hanging out. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.